Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a squat. Okay, we're going to come down into a squat. As we're coming up, we're going to bit of a rotation. We're going to rotate up and punch up in the sky with diagonal punch. Okay, so it's going to be down as we come up from the squat, punching up in the air. As we come back down, we're going to alternate that exercise and taking up the opposite arm. Okay, so what you could do if you were using a dumbbell for this exercise, you could have the dumbbell sitting down there. You could down there in the middle on the ground. As you come up, you could punch that up in the air, and you do that, bring it back into your chest, come down, drop the weight on the ground and pick it up with the opposite side. Okay, and then do the same thing with the left hand side, drop the weight down and then continue. Okay, but I'm going to do a body weight today, so here we go.